physically active people looking to increase mobility and possibly reduce soreness. But did you know that foam rolling can be a pregnant woman's best friend? My name's Guru, and this is the wifey, Mrs. Shaman, and today we're here at Club 24, the lovely Torrington establishment. And guys, we're here for a little early morning foam roll sesh. So guys, we brought the boys down. We're here in the back turf room, and we're gonna walk through Nancy's typical foam rolling routine and explain why it helps her and it would help any pregnant woman. So guys, thanks for coming down. Much love, much hugs. All right guys, so my best friends, Santino and Camillo, came down and joined Mrs. Shaman and I. These dudes are awesome. They're such good sports. They tag along with us really wherever we go, and they're so well behaved. You could ask really anyone in the city that knows these guys. They love them. They're such good dudes. But anyway, they're here with us. They're gonna be running around and maybe doing some foam rolling of their own. So guys, myofascial release or foam rolling is very important. It can have many benefits for, like I said, athletes, physically active people, and pregnant women like Nancy at the moment. So guys, I'm gonna go into some of the reasons why myofascial release should be a part of your everyday rehabilitation routine, especially if you're pregnant. So guys, in a healthy musculoskeletal system, the fascia supports free movement of our muscles and bones through a huge variety of shapes that we see in sport, performance art, and life. When this tissue becomes dysfunctional, it is a force to be reckoned with and can be a great cause of movement restriction and pain. Many times, dysfunctional areas of fascia are referred to as knots, ropes, bristle, adhesions, or even scar tissue. There aren't actually knots and ropes under your skin. Instead, what we have is malalignment of tissue due to trauma, injury, poor motor patterns, and even emotional distress, guys. Releasing these tissues is simply creating a biomechanical and mechanical change that will give us an opportunity to create more efficient and just cleaner movement patterns in the future. Not only can this cause a disruption in long-term chemical processes in the area, but restriction like this can contribute immensely to inefficient gross movement patterns and cause joints to move off axis and contractile tissues to work much harder to attain the ranges of motion crucial to sport or whatever your preferred physical activity. Many times, this leads to inflammatory responses in tissues that are overstressed, and if left unchecked, can result in excessive calcium and fat deposits. These prevent full expression of range of motion and keep neighboring tissues from sliding past one another. When dysfunctional, these areas are often gristly, hard, and do not move well. But just because an area has dense tissue does not mean it's dysfunctional. Guys, a key example would be for you gym rats. If you squat often, guess what? Your IT band will be dense instead from transmitting force from your hips into the ground. So guys, gym rats, you're gonna have some dense areas of your fascia. And guys, as you know, fascia is primarily composed of collagen, very dense, fibrous protein. So guys, some areas of our fascia is gonna have denser areas. I want to say they're called fibroblasts. So guys, we really got to work through them in order to get our desired result. So guys, Nancy's gonna get rolling. Dude, say thank you.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye.
All right, these guys are gonna play. We're gonna roll. Thanks. myofascial release foam rolling session looks like for Nancy. Guys, it's obviously not her first rodeo. We've been pregnant before, and we've developed some skills and techniques to combat some of these typical pregnancy pains. Guys, as Nancy grows, as her belly grows, she's bearing more and more weight on that front side, and it puts a lot of pressure and stress on her hips, on her sacrum, her lower back, and guys, it's just really uncomfortable. So guys, anything we can do to relieve some tension in that area, perfect. Another thing that happens is fluid retention. So guys, Nancy and any guys, most pregnant women retain some fluid in their feet, their ankles, their calves, their legs. You might even see it in their hands and forearms. So when we roll, we're actually helping to release some of that excess fluid. And guys, that excess fluid, that swelling can be really irritable for these girls. So super helpful to release some of that excess fluid. Guys, this is the family. We're the Shaman family. Thank you so much for joining us here at Club 24 this morning. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I create it out of love. So if you love the content, if you love the vibe, please subscribe. Much love, much hugs.